Dim headlights not only make it harder to see the road, but also affect your vehicle's appearance. Luckily, with a few simple steps, you can maintain bright, clear headlights and improve your driving safety. The wax provides a protective coating that shields your headlights from UV damage, dirt, and moisture. It also enhances the clarity and shine of the headlights, helping to keep them looking new for a longer period. To keep your car's headlights bright, clean them regularly. Start by applying tape around the headlight to protect the surrounding area. Use soapy water to remove any dust, and then clean the headlight with a microfiber cloth. Next, spray more soapy water and scrub the headlight with a scrubber. Rinse by spraying water and wiping with a microfiber cloth. Repeat this process until the headlight looks clear. Shake the polish compound and apply 4 to 5 dots on a polishing pad. Dab it onto the headlight and spread it at a low speed. Then, slightly increase the speed and polish thoroughly until the headlight becomes completely clear. Wipe off any excess compound with a clean microfiber cloth. Remove the masking tape around the headlight. Spray water on the headlight and the surrounding area, and then clean it with a microfiber cloth. Finally, spray wax onto an applicator, and apply it to the headlight in circular motions. Wait a few seconds, and then buff it with a clean microfiber towel. By following this simple and effective method, you can prevent your car's headlights from dimming. You can use the headlight restoration kit to keep your car's headlights from dimming. Cerakote's kit restores clarity and protects headlights with a durable ceramic coating that bonds to the surface and provides long-lasting UV protection. The simple 3-step process requires no power tools, making it safe and easy to use. Trusted by top industries, Cerakote's advanced ceramic technology ensures reliable and long-lasting results. Headlight bulbs lose their brightness over time. If your headlights are dim, replacing the bulbs with new ones can make a significant difference. Check your car's manual for the correct type of bulbs and choose high-quality replacements. To replace the bulb, detach the wire socket carefully by pulling it. Then, loosen the bulb before taking it out. Insert the new bulb into its position and secure it by twisting. Finally, reattach the wire socket to the bulb. By using this method, you can easily keep your car's headlights from dimming. With these simple methods, you can easily keep your car's headlights bright, maintain your car's appearance, and ensure safer driving in all conditions.